Check out this beach. Look at how much sand we've got packed into this hollow. This isn't just a toy, it's a precision-engineered machine ready to get to work. We're moving this heavy load across the yard. Notice the smooth handling and the way those dual rear tires grip the terrain. This is the ultimate tool for any backyard construction site. Now watch this power. We're engaging the hydraulic lift. Even with a massive pile of sand, the mechanism is incredibly strong and steady. It's all about that heavy-duty performance. And there it goes, a full load, perfectly dumped right where we need it. Whether you're a hobbyist or just love